Hey guys, Chay Mcgee with the Shamrock Group, Century 21. Today we're going to go over how to get your home ready to put it on the market to get the most people interested, falling in love, and giving you the very most money that we can possibly get for your home. The first thing is clean. Clean, clean, clean. People love their homes the very most at 2 points. When you first buy it, and right when you're selling it, because it's clean, it's gorgeous, it's everything that you remember this house being and every reason that you remember falling in love with it. And it's kind of sad because you're going to sell it to somebody else, but we're going to get you a better house, okay? So we're good. Clean up, clean the drawers. Get in the bottom of the drawers, wipe them out. Clean in the closets, wipe those out. Get those cobwebs. If you have, weird dead bugs in the light fixtures, get those out. Make it look gorgeous. People are going to fall in love with it. They're going to give you their money. We're going to be in a good place. Pay extra attention to smells. You usually don't notice any smells in your home. It's very easy to go nose blind because you're there every day. Find someone to give you their honest opinion of a smell and don't get mad at them for doing it. They're trying to help you. Pet owners, especially cat owners, be specifically looking for this because there's not much that will turn a potential buyer off faster than walking in, opening the door, and getting punched in the nose by that smell of cat urine. It's terrible, it's awful, you're going to lose money. Cooking fish or some ethnic foods like Indian and things like that, a lot of absolutely delicious foods, go out, go get that somewhere else. There's great places to get that elsewhere that doesn't smell up your house. Get rid of the clutter. I know that you believe that it's a collection. To everyone else that walks in your home, whether they're willing to tell you or not, it's clutter. Big, open, nice, flat areas all cleaned off just make your home look bigger and more open. 1 to 2 items on any flat surface is about it. That weird stuff you've been saving up on top of the fridge, get rid of that. All that, 17 extra dead bottles of Tide up on your washer, get rid of that. You don't need any of that stuff, okay? All it's going to do is make people look and think, well, geez, why don't you throw that away? Throw it away. It's okay. They're old. They're dead. Excess furniture. Your big open house that you bought, of course, feels smaller now when you put in all of your furniture, especially when it comes to like big sectionals and end tables and things like that. We're moving. We're planning on moving. We're selling your house. We're going to get you into a better one. Take it, move it into a storage unit, okay? Everything that you're not going to use, put it away so we have 1 or 2 items where there used to be 5. Again, the more room someone can see, the better off they're going to be. The point of this whole exercise is to allow someone to envision and picture their life in your home. If they can't do it because it's so full of your stuff, they're never going to be able to see their life in your home, and they're just not going to fall in love with it. So remove the excess furniture. We're going to be moving anyway. Repaint the walls with neutral colors. I know that somewhere along the line in like 1995, someone told you to put that Satan red devil wall in there saying, oh, people love it. They don't. Nobody loves it. It's awful. Get rid of it. Red walls, black walls, that weird burnt orange crap. Get rid of all that. Okay? Neutral tones. You want them to own it, okay? You can put the devil wall up in your new house. Keep the decor simple, okay? Nothing big, nothing extravagant. Don't oversell it. Again, simple open spaces. If you're a religious person, that's fantastic. Be a religious person, okay? If you have, a picture of your deity on every single wall, people of other faiths may very well not feel comfortable in your home. And guess what? Their money spends the same. Personal items, we kind of went over that. With that, as a security thing, thieves are opportunistic. Okay, I thankfully have never had something stolen from one of my listings. However, with that, the things that we ask people to put away: cash, jewelry, guns. Okay, more than likely they're small, they're valuable, they're easy to take. Move them anyway. Okay, put them away, lock them up, get them out of the way, then you won't have to worry about it. Okay, light. Big light. We want lots of light. If you've got light bulbs out, replace them. If you've got a light cover that really dulls the light and it looks kind of dim and stuff, no one is seeing the big open space that we have because it looks dim, and dim looks dirty and small. It's the last thing we want. When we're showing a house, my advice is to have every single light in the house on and have the blinds up, letting as much light as we can get into the house shine, because it's just going to make your house look that much more beautiful and that much larger. And then bring some nature inside. Plants. Bring a couple plants in. Let people, it just makes people feel more at home with a few plants. Don't go crazy. We're not looking for a jungle or anything. But a couple of plants here and there can definitely help people feel more at home and more comfortable in your home, planning their life in that space. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Like this video, share it with anybody that you think could use it, or if they're thinking about getting ready. We are happy to come through and do a walkthrough and do like a market ready audit of your home and show you where we can easily make improvements so you can get the most money possible out of your home. Until the next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much. Bye.